Welcome back to another video of Planes Floating Henry. In this week's video we have a recap of all the Boeing 737-300 planes, Jet2 Summer Holidays and Jet2.com that we have filmed. They will be retiring soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this week's video. Little bit of information about this first aircraft. It was made in 1998. It's 27.5 years old. It's been with Virgin Express Island, Virgin Express again, Brussels Airlines, and then to Jet2 Summer Holidays.
So then Jet2 Summer Holidays coming in.
So then this aircraft is 27.2 years old. It was made on 10th of May 1998. It's been to a range of airlines including British Airways and Icelandair. It is now at Jet2 as all of the others.
Jet2 Summer Holidays, Boeing 737-300, 26 year surveyed from Alicante, flight time of 2 hours and 30 minutes. So then Jet2 Summer Holidays coming in from Nice. Flight time of 2 hours and 8 minutes. This aircraft is 28 years old.
This aircraft is 28.4 years old. It has only been to Air Europa, Norwegian Air Shuttle, and that is it. It is still currently active, as this will be going sooner rather than later. It's in the silver livery, Jet2 Budapest. Here we go.
Jet2.com going out to Prague here, 600 nautical miles, Boeing 737-300, 28 years old. Here we go. So this one is a Jet2 Summer Holidays, not Jet2.com. Going to Moldova again, no, Boeing 737-300. This one we've not seen yet. 26 years old. E1 rotate, here we go.
This aircraft was made on the 31st of August 1998 to 26.9 years old. This line has been at EasyJet at first, then Sky Europe, Airlines Hungary, then Air Baltic.
So then Jet2 Summer Holidays coming in from the exact same plane, Palmdale, Mallorca, so it's the exact same flight time, 2 hours and 30 minutes. This aircraft is a Boeing 737-300, 26 years old. So then Jet2 Summer Holidays going to Palmdale, Mallorca, Boeing 737-300.
So then this has been around since 13th of February 1998, 27.5 years old. It has been to American West Airlines in America, Thomson Fly, Thomson Airways, and then back to where it is now, as all the planes in this video, Jet2. Here we go with this Jet2 Summer Holidays.
Now you can hear that.
Down the road.
Summer Holidays going to Alicante here, 27 years old, Boeing 737-300, G-GDFO, 900 nautical miles, here we go. Jet2.com.
So then this Jet2.com is in the silver livery, Jet2 Sardinia. It was first flight in the 15th of May 1998, very close to my birthday actually. This aircraft has been at British Airways, GoFly, EasyJet, Air Sahara, Jetlight and BMI Baby. It arrived to Jet2 on 16th of May 2013.
So then Jet2 going to LAX, going 737-300. This is a flight time around 4 hours, just under 4 hours, just 700 nautical miles. This aircraft is 27 years old.
This aircraft was made on 10th of December 1998, so very near Christmas, 26.6 years old. It's been to Virgin Express Island, Virgin Express, Brussels Airline, and now it's back at Jet2.
Jet2 Summer Holidays going off to Alicante here, Boeing 737-300. This aircraft is 26 years old.
I hope you enjoyed this week's videos on 737-300 from Plane Spotting Henry. Over and out.